Hi, in this video we are going to see how to set up Mixed Reality Toolkit 3 for HoloLens 2 in Unity 3D. What you will need is the Unity Hub. I have it already installed here. I'm using the version 3.8.0, and you will need to install also a Unity version. For example, it is recommended by Microsoft to use the 2021.3. something, and this is the stable version LTS. I'm using, for example, a higher version, the 2022.3.30 F1, and that works just fine. Then you will need also to use this software, so you can download it from Microsoft. In the description of this video you can find the link to that. And the Mixed Reality Feature Tool allow you to download in the Unity project Mixed Reality Toolkit 3. So let's get started. Okay, let's do this. We set up a new project. You have to make sure that you have installed the version of Unity 2021.3.38, or anyway. You can choose any number here, but the important thing is that it's 2021.3. something. And it should be the stable version, so LTS. Then we go in Projects, New Project. We select 3D, project name, Test HoloLens 2 MRTK 3. We select the location, and we click on Create Projects. At this point, it will load Unity 3D. Okay, now that we have Unity, we can open Mixed Reality Feature Tool. And here we are going to download the features we need from Mixed Reality Toolkit 3. We can click on Start, select the project, open, discover features. We select Mixed Reality Toolkit 3. Get features, import, and approve. Exit, and now Unity will load the packages. Click on Yes. Now it will restart Unity. I'm using the 22.3, but you can also use the 21.3. And at this point, you will notice that here in the menu, we have also Mixed Reality. Here it is. So just to recap, you can use this version, which is the recommended one, or a higher version. For example, I just open it with this version and it works. If you want to be 100% sure, you should use this version. And if you want to know more about how to set up completely Mixed Reality Toolkit 3, please check out this video here, the video that appears here. And in this video, you will basically have more information about how to proceed from here. And check the description of this video as well, in which you will have links to the software that you have to download and more videos about mixed reality development.